Hello, welcome to my new video about chestnut. In this video I would like to share with you very interesting curiosities about chestnuts and how they can help you with health diseases. Because chestnuts and their healing properties have been widely used since the 16th century, especially for the treatment of rheumatism and vein diseases. Chestnuts were formerly used as pet food and are still used as wild game food today. The name horse chestnut refers to the original use of chestnuts for horse cloth. Chestnuts have also been used in the preparation of beer, moonshine, and as a coffee substitute. Children especially like chestnuts in autumn because they can be made into animal figurines, but even adults should not leave the shiny brown seeds of a tree called the horse chestnut tree lying on the ground. Chestnuts offer interesting medicinal possibilities and have been used for centuries in folk medicine as a cure for rheumatism, varicose veins, back pain, colds, and of course to increase fertility. So if your back and joints ache and you don't want to have a cough and cold in winter, heed to the chestnuts. The chestnuts or wild chestnut is an ornamental, sturdy tree about 25 meters tall that has many healing effects on our bodies. Folk medicine uses the flowers, leaves, bark and especially the shiny brown seeds, which are hidden in a spiny capsule. Chestnuts contain mainly a group of triterpenes, collectively called acetine, and other substances include flavonoids and starch. A decoction of the bark is used for intestinal cathara, diarrhea, hemorrhoids, and varicose veins. An infusion of the flowers, which tastes sweet, is also used for some purpose. The substances contained in chestnuts are antibacterial, anti-inflammatory, and mildly astringent. Chestnuts help with aching joints, rheumatism, arthritis gout, treated dropsy, burns, frostbite, tibial ulcers, eczema, and other skin defects, and of course relieve back pain. Chestnut extract is used in inflammation of veins and varicose veins, thrombosis, hemorrhoids, and in swelling caused by congestion of venous blood in the legs. Chestnuts also improve swelling, including lymphatic, increase the strength and elasticity of blood vessels. Chestnut tincture is widely used for its anti-inflammatory and anti-rheumatic effects. Just sore muscles and joints or swelling can either be rubbed or the tincture poured into a spray bottle and applied to sore areas, ideally after a bath. The internal use of chestnut extract is suitable for problems of the vascular system, against arteriosclerosis, or for peripheral blood circulation. Chestnut tincture is an excellent remedy for cold and purple hands or some forms of migraine. And how to use it? Finally chop about 10 chestnuts and pour with 200 ml of frankincense or pharmacy alcohol. Leave to macerate for 3 weeks in a dark, cool place and shaking occasionally. Then strain and pour into a clean bottle. Store in a cool, dark place. We take the tincture internally according to how much we weigh. 1 kilogram is 1 drop a day. If we weigh 60 kilos, we can take 20 drops 3 times a day. For example, if we weigh 90 kilos, we should take 30 drops 3 times a day. Chestnut tincture should be taken for a maximum of 3 weeks, after which it is advisable to take a break of 2 to 3 months. Internal use should be only short-term and in the recommended doses. Pregnant and lactating women and children should avoid internal use. Chestnut ointment against rheumatism and gout. Just peel and crush about 20 chestnuts. Heat 250 to 300 ml of good quality oil olive, sunflower or almond, or shea butter, organic, or pure lard. Add the crushed chestnut and slowly simmer over a low heat for about 20 minutes. Drain and pour into clean glasses. Store in the fridge in a closed container and use within 3 months. Apply the chestnut ointment 3 to 4 times a day, spreading it in a circular motion from the periphery towards the heart, meaning from the feet upwards. As soon as the first signs of improvement appear, reduce the use to twice a day. Chestnuts in the pocket should increase fertility. Carrying chestnuts in the pocket is recommended for rheumatic joint and back pain. Carrying chestnuts protects against hip and knee pain. Kneading chestnuts in the palms of the hands is also known to be an effective weapon against rheumatism. It is also an ancient symbol of fertility. According to folk tradition, women who are trying to conceive should carry 9 chestnuts with them at all times, preferably in the lower part of the body. The same applies to expectant fathers. Chestnuts in bed against cold and cough. Sleeping on chestnuts over the winter is supposed to protect us from colds, cough and colds, and has a generally beneficial effect on the body. They also bring relief from varicose veins, rheumatism, spinal pain, headaches, and inflammation of the urinary tract. Put the chestnuts under the pillow so that they not press on us. We should sleep on them until the first day of spring and then burn them. For back and joint pain, place them under the mattresses or on the floor under the bed. We can also put the chestnuts in a cloth bag. The number of chestnuts is based on age. There should be as many as you are old, plus 1 extra. Thank you for watching my video, hope you liked it, and if so, please don't forget to subscribe and give a thumbs up. Thank you!